Yeah, actually in a banking, digital changed many things from the onboarding of the customer. Earlier it is a 3 days 4 days activity for onboarding the customer for opening the bank account. Now it is in a less than 4 minutes customer can open the bank account. It is all because of the digital. And earlier the transactions takes a lot of time. Customers used to walk into the branch and wait in the branch, but today customer can do the transactions wherever whenever they want it, irrespective of the type of a transaction. And especially on the lending side, entire digitally changed the entire process of the lending. Today you will get an instant credit as soon as you want, you are accepting the request of taking the loan. Earlier it is taking a couple of days, now it is in minutes the customer is getting the lending. And especially on the risk control modes and the underwriting and collections are very well optimized using the digital, and this digital landscape is changed huge at a banking. Yeah, it is a huge change, rural and semi-rural, because I came from a very small village. Even today you don't find my village name in the Google. And today now I go to my native place, I can see the QR codes in each and every small provision shops, grocery shops, and each and every citizens, including the women, the male, irrespective of the gender and age, everyone using the smartphones and making the payments via QR code, UPI QR code. If you ask me, literally the financial inclusion happening at very remote places in India. So if you ask me, my personal view is that it has to be collaborated. Everything probably now to build in house, we have to collaborate with the partners. If the correct partners are coming up, we are happy to collaborate for investments. But if you ask me, my views is that already India economy is digitally adaptable, and most digitalization happening and happened. And I think in the world, if you see that the fast at which the digital is grown in India, from not only from the banking perspective but from the non-banking perspective also it is grown. And in future everything will see is digital, correct? Even today, whenever whatever you want, you wanted to have a food, or you wanted to ride, or you want to buy a banking account, or you want to do investment, or anything what you want to do it, you can do it at your home, correct? This all is happening because of the digital. And in fact regulatory and government is pushing a lot to for each and every citizen to adopt the digital. In my views, actually the data is the citizens or the people should feel that the data is equivalent to the wealth and health and everything, correct? And before they are sharing any information, they have to apply their brain wisely, and they should know that what to be shared, what not to be shared, and how much the technology or digital to be used for each and everything when they are sharing the data. At the same time, the people also have to be responsible who is taking the data and consuming the data, and everyone has to be take equal responsibility for sharing and as well as consuming the data. And there have to be a data protection, which whenever you know that the bill is already passed and everyone has to follow strictly, and that bill is much powerful than even the GDPR bill. I think data is very important for each and everyone. We have to be secure our data.